today I'll be showing you an easy pancake recipe, and the great thing is you can find any of these ingredients in your pantry. My name is Thelma and this is the Hungry Dolphin Kitchen. We'll start by mixing our dry ingredients first. So in my bowl I have some flour. To that I'll pour in some baking soda, baking powder, and my sugar. So I'll give that a quick whisk just to make sure everything is properly combined. So now we'll add our wet ingredients. So I'll just make a well in the middle of my flour mix. I'll add my yogurt, my eggs, my liquid milk, and finally a splash of vanilla. Gently fold that in, and it's okay if there are lumps in there, it's fine, but make sure you do not overmix. Once all the dry ingredients are combined, you let your batter sit for 2 minutes and then we can start to make our pancakes. Lightly grease your pan and scoop in your butter. So when you start to see the top of your pancake bubble, it means it's time to flip it. So I'll just insert my spoon and then flip that over. So our pancake is ready now. We'll just take it off the heat onto a cooling rack. So our pancakes are ready. I've just stacked them and we'll start to assemble our garden right around our pancakes. So we'll start with our spinach. So we'll add some lettuce right now. Same thing, just put that all around your pancakes. Add some purple cabbage, just little sprinkles right around it. I'll go in with my cucumbers. Just scatter that around. Some grated carrots, just a little for the extra color. Then I'll add my cherry tomatoes. Make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in my next video. Bye!